Yeah, we are looking at the differentiation of a functions of a function. So this is functions of a function. So how do we go about that differentiation of a function? Yeah, differentiation of a function of a function. Okay, let's look at this illustration. You have y equal to probably 2x power 1 to power 4, whatever the power. Okay, whereby we are now writing y equal to v4, where v is equal to 2x plus 1. So we have substituted for 2x plus 1 by using v. So in this case now, y is a function of v, and v also is a function of x. So that's why we call it functions of a functions. For example, now you can also have let's say you have y equal to sine 4 theta, for example, like this. Okay, initially y is a function of what? Of theta. Okay, but to make the work easy for us, this can be written as what? Sine theta to power 4. Okay, and now give this one letter and letter. So that will equal to what? Y equal to what? T4, where t is what? Where t is equal to sine theta. So in this case now, y is a function of theta, and y is a function of t, and t also is a function of what? Of theta. So these are the things we want to look into. Okay, and it's also possible to have this one also. T is a function of theta, and this theta also is also a function of something else. So we are going to look at all those cases. Okay, in this aspect. Let's keep question one. Yeah, question one. Find the y dx of the following. Find the y dx of the following. Okay. One, y equal to the first one, y equal to 2x to power 1 power 3. 2, y equal to sine x squared. Then 3, y equal to 3x squared minus 4 power 4. And then 4, y equal to, yeah, fourth one, y equal to x minus 1 over x plus 1 power 4. Okay, so these are the questions we have in this case. Okay, let's look at this solution to this one. Find y dx. The first one, y equal to what? 2x plus 1 to power what? Power 3. Okay, if you want to use, you can use product rule, but you'll be wasting your time. So you have to be writing 2x plus 1 times 2x plus 1 times 2x plus 1. That will waste your time. Okay, so what we can do is that y equal to, let's give this base a letter. Let y be equal to probably v to power 3, where v is equal to 2x plus 1. We're giving the base a letter. Okay, then y now is a function of v, and v is a function of x. So that means I'm going to get the y, the v, which is what? 3v squared. And I'm going to get the v, the x, which is what? Which is 2. So then my dy dx now, because the function initially, the function is a function of x. So I'm going to get the y dx. So the y dx will be equal to the y, the v, okay, and you expect what is here to be what? To start here, the v dx. So you multiply those two together, v dx. So, and you also realize that by the time you cut it, slash it, you get back your y dx equal to each other. So that will be equal to 3b squared times what? Times 2, which is what? 6b squared. And then you substitute your v. Okay, your v is what? You return your v. That's 2x plus 1 over 2. Okay, so that's that. If I don't want to do, there's another method you can use without all these longer steps. You can also do it straight away. How do you do that? Very simple. It will be equal to y prime equal to the power. Go to the front of 3. Write the question 2x plus 1. Then the power minus 1, that's power 2. Then after that, times derivative of the ddx of 2x plus 1. And that's all. You get your answer. And that will be equal to 3 into bracket 2x plus 1. Derivative of this one is 2. Then you get your 6 into bracket 2x plus 1 power. This one is 3 into this one is square, and then times 2. That's 6. That's that. So you choose the one you like. Choose the one you like. Okay. Then the question 2, we have y equal to sine f squared. You can also do it straight away. What you just need to do is for you to just get the function in sine x, get the derivative of that. That would be a problem. Yeah, get the derivative of this sine x. That's cos the what? The function cos s squared, and then times what? Times the function here, ddx of s squared. Okay, and that will be equal to what? This is 2x. So that will be 2x cos x squared. So that's that. And if you want to use my the long steps, so we just give that. Just give this one later. Just substitute for that. So that will be equal to, or y equal to what? Sine what? Sine t. Where t is what? Where t is t is what? S squared. Okay, so y is a function of t, and t is a function of x. So we need to get the y, the t, which is what? Cos t. Then you need to get the t, the x, which is what? 2x. Okay, then your dy dx, the dy dx equal to the y dt times dt dx. Okay, so whatever that hand here will start on top here. Whatever that hand here will start on the next cell on top here. So that will be equal to 2x cos t. Then you return your t. That will be 2x cos. Your t is what? S squared. So that's that on that question. Okay. Then we go to the third one. Yeah, we have y equal to 3x squared minus 4 to the power 4. If you are using product rule for this one, you'll be wasting a lot of time. So what we do in this case is very simple. I want to use the y prime. The 4 will go to the front. Okay, write the expression 3x squared minus 4. Then the 4 minus 1, that's power 3. And then times derivative of what? Of the base, 3x squared minus 4. And that will give us 6x. So that is 6. This will give us 6x. That's derivative times 3. That's 18x into bracket 3x squared minus 4 power 3. So that's that straight away. And if you want to use the longer steps, or I'm saying number 3, we want to use another method. So we just say this is y equal to 3x squared minus 4 power 4. So I'm now giving it what? I'm saying maybe t power 4. Y equal to t power 4. Where t is what? Where t is equal to 3x squared minus 4. So y is a function of t, and t is a function of x. So the the t is equal to 4 t3, and then the t respect to that function, the x is equal to what? 6x. Okay, can you get since your question is a function of x, so we're talking of the y. dx equal to the y dt times the t dx, and dy dt is what? Is 4 is equal to 3 times 6x. Okay, times 6x. Okay, that's good. That will give me 24 x t3. Then return your t, replace your, substitute for t of 24x. Your t is what? 3x 2 minus 4 power 3. So that's that. So that's good. But there's a mistake here. It's 4 here. When the 4 comes here, I don't know why I put 3 there. It's a slip of pen. So that should be 4. That should be 4. Okay. So I appreciate using the two methods. I was able to. So this is 4. So 4 times 6x. That's 24x. So that's 24x. So that's that on that. Then we'll go to the fourth one. The fourth one is going to be y equal to x minus 1 over x plus 1 power 4. Okay, so in that case now, if we are substituting for the expression, so we are going to have v, we are using v4, where v is what? Where v is x minus 1 over x plus 1. So this y prime, the y, the v. So y is a function of v and v is a function of x. You can see functions of functions. So this will be equal to 4v3. And this one, the v, the x, will be equal to what? I'm going to use a quotient rule. It's a fraction. So this is the x plus 1 square. And this is the x plus 1. The derivative of this one is what? It's 1 minus numerator, s minus 1. The derivative of this one is also 1. Okay? So, we now have the v dx will be equal to x plus 1 square, x plus 1 square, x plus 1 square, x plus 1 square, x plus 1, okay, times 1, and then minus x plus 1. So minus x plus 1 minus x, open the bracket, and then plus 1. So this one will cancel, minus x will cancel. What is happening there? X plus 1, okay. This one is x plus 1, then minus x plus 1. So this one will cancel, minus x plus x will cancel. So I have 2 into bracket x plus 1 squared. So that's that for that. Then we can get the y dx. The y dx will be equal to the y dv times the v what? The v dx. Okay. The y dx. Okay. That will be times the y dv. Okay, times the v dx. So and that will be equal to my dy dv is 4 v3 times the v dx is what? 2 over x plus 1 square. That will be equal to 8 v3 over x plus 1 square. 4 times 2, that's 8. Okay, then the next thing for us to do is to plug back the value of v, which will be equal to 8 times my v is what? X minus 1 over x plus 1 power 3. Okay, then all over x plus 1 power 2. Okay, so without wasting time, our answer is this one here will come down. Okay, so okay, let's solve it. That will be 8 into brackets x minus 1 power 3 over x plus 1 power 3 divided by x plus 1 squared. So with that division now, so it will come down. It will come down, then we are going to have 1 over x plus 1 squared. So times 1 over x plus 1 squared. So if you do that, you are going to have 8 into bracket x minus 1 over x plus 1 power 5. So that's the differential coefficient of that. So that's that on these aspects. It's very easy. It's very easy, just for you to let's give it this substitute for this expression, and that's that. And you have y is a function of v and v is a function of x. Differentiate this one with respect to v and this one with respect to x. Then you get your answer. So I think that's that. And if you don't want to use these long steps, you can also do it this way. But I won't finish that one. I'll just do it briefly. I'll just do it very brief. Yeah, I didn't even put this one here. This power 3. This is minus 1 power 3. Yeah. So if you want to do it, x plus 1 power 4. It's very simple. It's just the y prime will equal to 4. We come here, 4 into bracket x minus 1 over x plus 1 power 4 minus 1 3, then times derivative of what? Derivative of x minus 1, x plus 1 prime, the derivative of that. Okay, and we have the value, we have the value, so that will be equal to 4 into bracket x minus 1, x plus 1, times the value of this, the derivative of this is what? 2 into bracket what? X plus 1 over 2. And don't forget, this is what? This is power 3 here. So that's power 3 there. So at the end of the day, you have 4 into brackets. 4 times 2, that's 8. This is x minus 1, power 3, all over. This is also power 3. They have the same base, and that will be x. This is power 3, this is power 2, this is power 5. I think this one is a little faster. Okay, so you choose the one which way you want to go. So the two ways, the two methods are allowed. Okay, so please, this will be part 1 on the functions of functions. We're going to part 2 now to look at more technical questions. If you are new on this channel, please hit that subscription, hit that notification bell so that as we upload, you get notified. Thank you for that.